Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to export OpenClaw Bot memories. All right, let's begin. First, open the terminal on the device where your OpenClaw Bot is currently hosted. If you are using Windows, open Command Prompt or PowerShell. If your bot is hosted on a VPS, log in and open the VPS terminal. Once your terminal is open, run the export command that generates a backup of your bot's data. This command will export your OpenClaw Bot's memory, settings, and personality configuration into a readable output. After running the command, the terminal will display a block of text containing all exported data. Copy the entire output carefully and paste it into a text file using Notepad or any text editor. Save this file in a secure location. When setting up OpenClaw Bot on a new device, you can use this saved data to import your previous memory and restore your configuration. So that's basically how you can export OpenClaw Bot memories. That's it for this video. Thanks.